All right, welcome back. So we're going to do Simpson's rule next. And this is approximating by quadratics, by parabolas. Okay, so let me give you the formula first, and then we'll derive it. So I know most of you just come for the formula anyways. So the integral from a to b f of x dx is going to be approximately delta x over 3 f of a plus, now we're going to add 4 f of x1 plus 2 f of x2 plus 4 f of x3 plus all the way up to 4 f of xn plus f of b. Okay. Oh, sorry, that should be f of xn minus 1 there. Okay, where n should be even here. Okay, we need that restriction in order for Simpson's rule to work. Okay, so let's sort of get a sense of what's going on here. Let's say we're here at xi. We have xi plus 1 here, xi minus 1 here, and we've got some function going on. And what we're going to do is we're going to approximate by a parabola. Oh, those are bad points. Let me draw the picture again. Okay, so we're going to approximate by a parabola here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do the integral from here to here of that. Okay, so let's do that first. So the integral from, now I'm going to write this from negative delta x to delta x. Okay, and I'm going to do a x minus xi squared plus b x minus xi plus c dx. Okay, so if I integrate that, we're going to get a x minus xi squared, sorry, xi cubed over 3 plus b x minus xi squared over 2 plus c x minus xi from negative delta x to delta x. And this is for x minus xi, so I should have done that there. Because that's really what we're integrating, okay? And the point is that this is going to be 0 there. Okay, so we're going to end up with a times 2 delta x over 3, sorry, 2a over 3 times delta x cubed plus 2c delta x. Let me factor out a delta x. Actually, delta x over 3. That's this, okay? delta x over 3, and we're going to get 2a delta x squared plus 6c. Okay? All right, so far so good. Now, if I wrote this way, let me imagine that I wrote this way. This was y equals a times x minus xi squared plus b x minus xi plus c. So this one's not really the right one. Okay, because the a's, b's, and c's are different. So now the c is actually f of xi, right? Because if this is 0 and this is 0, we're just there. Okay. Let me make things a little smaller. Okay, now let's go back. We want to fit this parabola. That's basically a college algebra problem, but we're going to do it here anyways. So we've got 3 points. We've got negative delta x, f of xi minus 1, delta x, f of xi plus 1, 0, f of xi. Okay, that's these 3 points. Okay, we're going to fit them to a parabola. Okay. It's a parabola in delta x, actually. Okay. So now, what do we get back? We get f of xi minus 1 equals a times delta x squared minus b delta x plus c. F of xi plus 1 equals a delta x squared plus b delta x plus c. Let's add these two together. Look at that. That gives us 2a delta x squared, which is there. Okay. Minus 2c, but c is f of xi. Okay. So now this, we add up all these terms, and that's how we're going to get this mess. Okay? All right. That's it for the videos. In class, what we're going to do is we're going to actually do some coding. So I'm going to show you one, and then you all will take that and you'll code the other rules. Okay? All right. See you all in the next set of videos.